Hi everyone, Rachel here from 360 Life Safety to continue our conversation with our X-TAKs. This is our iTAK, or our individual trauma kit, and this product is so beneficial to add to any office setting, nursery, classroom, small business, personal training studios, or even your own home if you're like me and you have a hoodlum of kids and teenagers constantly running through. This product comes fully stocked with the ability to treat injuries for 1 to 3 people depending on the nature of the wound. Let's dive in and take a look at this iTAK. It offers 2 different tourniquets to stop the bleed in those limbs. You have your SWAT Tourniquet or your Stretch, Wrap, and Tuck Tourniquet. You have your SOFTT Tourniquet or your Special Operation Forces Tactical Tourniquet. You have the ability to pack a wound with Hemostatic Gauze. This is called Quick Clot, and this is going to assist in blood coagulation. And you also have the ability to treat a penetrating chest wound with an Occlusive Seal. This iTAK comes with a variety of additional support components that also include safety glasses and gloves, as well as a CPR mask and emergency blankets, an assortment of bandages that includes a pressure bandage, also known as an Israeli bandage. You have gauze, pads, Coban, tape, and shears. Now, all of our iTAKs are packaged the exact same way and equipped with this inventory sheet located in the top of the iTAK, just like a box of chocolates. And with our strategically designed partitions, this allows you as the immediate responder valuable time because you know where the product is located, it hasn't shifted around. And in that trauma aid kit, there's going to be no need to dig for your product and waste those valuable moments when you could be tending to your victim. With a wall-mounted enclosure, you can build that safety station along with an AED and a fire extinguisher. And within one solid location, you know it's never going to sprout legs and wander off. Your iTAK is also always going to be where you need it. And just like that fire extinguisher, our iTAK comes with an inspection card as well as these blue temper tags. And when inspecting your TAK, you just need to check to make sure that those temper tags are intact. There are also additional temper tags inside your kit as well. That's our iTAK, ladies and gentlemen. We're always helping you to be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. If you want to know more about this product, check us out at www.360lifesafety.com. Join us next time as we dive into our MTAK, or our Multiple Trauma Aid Kit. I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety. Until next time, stay safe.